Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder of the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 23rd of August. We did a figure eight, a catapult, a swizzle catapult, a shoulder slide lift comb, and a first move tango cross. If you need any teaching information on that, links are in the description below for each of the clips for each of the moves. This is designed just to show you how everything went together for the class, so it's really more about the joins and aiding your memory. So we started with the figure eight, and it looked like this. It went 7 and 8. We went a back, through, over the lady, into the catapult. We went a sweep, lean, over the top, around, into the swizzle, return, guys round, into the lean, catapult ending, spin, and catch. Return for the shoulder slide. We went slide, lift, comb, catch, out, switch to the left hand, return, first move tango cross. We came in, twist, and we went through, 2, 3, 4, finishing with a turn and face, return and back. And of course you could have done the other timing for that first move tango cross if you wanted to. That's it. I hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another Modern Jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the little windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some Modern Jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance Modern Jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.